So here we are, we have our number, and we have already done our first step when using place value. That is, we write our number. And we write it neatly. See how I can easily read that and tell what each digit is here? A digit is the single number that goes in each place value. And now after we've written it neatly, we need to label it. And you'll see, right, what is helpful here is to notice that as we write, numbers are organized into what we call periods. No, not the periods that come at the end of a sentence. In math, periods are three numbers, okay, and they have a period name. This is the ones period. This is the thousands period. If this number were to continue, we would be going into the millions period, right? And within periods, there's also a pattern that repeats. We have the ones, tens, and hundreds, and I'll abbreviate that as just HUND. And this pattern repeats itself. So a period is three digits with a ones, tens, and hundreds, and a period name. Same thing would continue here, right? Ones, tens, I'll use numbers this time, and hundreds. And periods help me say the name correctly. 375,000. Note how I don't say the period name until I've read all three numbers. 264. So 375,264. So I've written my number, I have properly labeled it, and now I'm going to identify. What am I identifying? I am identifying the value of the digit, right? So let's say you get a problem with this number and it says, what is the value of the 2 here? Well, the place value is the hundreds, right? It's in the ones. It is in the hundreds place value, but the value of this 2 is 200. And the easiest way to identify your value is to find whatever digit they're asking you to identify the value of, and go below where you've written the number, right? So what's the value of this 5? Well, it's in the 1000s, so I write the 5 here, and to find the value of it, I just complete the place value chart here below, putting in zeros, and I find that the value of this digit here in the 1000s is 5,000.